RapidFlow is a fast fluid solver, optimized for thermal simulation, and fully integrated into the TAITherm solver. Simply assign surfaces to use RapidFlow convection. By linking to a RapidFlow-enabled fluid node, define RapidFlow solver settings and flow boundary conditions in the RapidFlow config, and you're ready to run. The magic of RapidFlow is speed. This solver is engineered for a faster, smarter trade-off between accuracy and computational time. In benchmarking studies with complex models, RapidFlow has demonstrated the ability to reduce computational time by up to tenfold, while maintaining comparable accuracy on average. Because RapidFlow is integrated directly into TAITherm, it inherits the same powerful co-simulation capabilities. Just like TAITherm, it can be coupled with 1D system modeling tools, enabling fast automotive HVAC simulation, controller design, and optimization. In this simple example, a PID controller implemented in GT Suite adjusts the cabin inlet air temperature based on an occupant sensation target.